Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today I'm back with another mango delight, a perfect summer dessert or a drink. So today we are making Mango Falooda with homemade Falooda Seviya. The main attraction for any Falooda is the Falooda Sev, and very easily you can make this at home. So let's start making Falooda. In this Falooda, instead of just pouring milk, I am using mango Rabdi. So heat around 2 cups of milk in a pan, and once it starts to boil, add around half a cup of sugar and cook it for some time until the milk reduces. And while the milk is cooking, don't forget to scrape down the cream from the sides. Add some saffron with milk and chopped cashews and pistachios. Now cook it for some more time and turn off the flame. And once the milk has cooled down, add around 1 cup of mango puree and mix it. Now our mango Rabdi is ready. You can keep it aside. Now let's make our Falooda Sev. Into some cornstarch, add some water and mix it. Take a pan, add some more water and add in the cornstarch mix. Add some sugar, and before you start cooking, you should make some items ready. Take a bowl full of ice cold water and 1 Seviya mold. If you don't have this, you can use a Ziploc bag or a piping bag or any bottle. Keep all those things ready and then start cooking the cornstarch. Once you turn on the flame, you should continuously mix it because the cornstarch will get cooked very easily, and if you are not mixing, it may get burned. After some time, you can see all the water has evaporated and the mixture has thickened. Now you have to continue cooking until the entire mixture turns translucent. Cooking cornstarch is a very important step while making the Falooda Sev. Now our cornstarch mixture is ready. Now take the greased Seviya mold and drop the hot cornstarch mixture into it. You should be really careful because you have to do the entire process when the mixture is piping hot. Now pipe the cornstarch mixture into the ice cold water and don't touch it for 5 to 10 minutes. If you have not cooked the cornstarch properly, it will get mixed up in the water while piping it. And after 10 minutes, you can see our beautiful Falooda Sev is ready. Now let's soak some sabja seeds for the Falooda. Just add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of sabja seeds or basil seeds into normal water, and after 5 to 10 minutes you can see it has all swollen up. Now here comes the most interesting part in this recipe, assembling the Falooda. So into a tall glass, add some freshly cut mango pieces and top it up with our homemade soft Falooda Sev and some solen sabja seeds, and add some chopped nuts. Then pour in the chilled mango Rabdi and add a big scoop of mango ice cream. This is a super easy homemade mango ice cream. If you want the recipe for this, comment below. Add some more freshly cut mango pieces and some chopped nuts and sprinkle some saffron. So there is no hard and fast rules for layering the Falooda. If you want to add more layers of Falooda Sev or sabja seeds, you can do that. Now instead of mango rabdi, you can just use mango milkshake. That will also taste really good in this Falooda. Normally Faloodas are loaded with lots of jellies, but these jellies have artificial colors, so I just skipped that in my recipe. So instead of this artificial jellies, I just used fresh fruits. The one and only rule to have Falooda is when you dig in, the Falooda should drip out. The more messy, the more tasty it will be. So definitely try out this refreshing summer dessert, Mango Falooda, with homemade Falooda Sev. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.